You ever wake up with the best intentions? A to-do list ready? A vision in mind? A goal you swore you'd finally crush today? But then, it's midnight, and somehow you've achieved nothing except watching 47 short videos, eating cereal twice, and Googling if squirrels have emotions. This isn't just you being lazy. This is the daily war between two powerful forces in your brain: discipline and dopamine. One wants to build your future, the other wants to feel good right now. And most days, dopamine wins. Let's talk about dopamine. It's a neurotransmitter, a brain chemical that plays a huge role in motivation, reward, and pleasure. But here's the twist. Dopamine doesn't just reward pleasure, it drives anticipation of it. That's why you feel pulled to check your phone, open that app, or reach for snacks, even when you're not hungry. Dopamine is what kept our ancestors alive, hunting, exploring, staying alert. But in today's world, it's constantly hijacked by likes, notifications, junk food, and endless content. And because it loves novelty, your brain gets bored with long-term effort and craves whatever's new and stimulating. That's why discipline feels hard. It's quiet, it's repetitive. It doesn't give instant hits. Now, enter discipline. It's not flashy, it doesn't give you a rush, but it builds everything worth having. Discipline is your ability to stay aligned with your values, even when motivation fades. It's showing up for the gym when you don't feel like it. It's writing that one paragraph even when your brain is screaming for TikTok. Discipline is slow dopamine. Over time, it creates a different kind of reward: the satisfaction of becoming someone you respect, the quiet pride of showing up, the compounding power of progress. But here's the catch. Discipline is unnatural at first. You have to train it, rewire it, and that takes a conscious effort. Every day you wake up and enter the arena. You're not lazy. You're in a neurological tug-of-war. Dopamine says, scroll, snack, escape. Discipline says, pause, focus, build. So how do you stop dopamine from winning by default? You don't eliminate it. You redirect it. Here's how you do it. Make goals visual and immediate. Dopamine needs to see progress. Use habit trackers, streaks, or rewards. Reduce friction for good habits. If the gym bag's packed and the workspace is clear, discipline has a chance. Delay gratification slightly. Pause 10 minutes before giving into a craving. Often, the urge passes. Create dopamine anchors. Pair boring tasks with music, lighting, or environments that feel good. Small, intentional tweaks can shift your default behavior from escape to action. This battle isn't about perfection. You will lose some rounds, but you can train your brain like a muscle. Each time you resist a small impulse, you reinforce a pathway that favors discipline. Each time you choose structure over chaos, you're rewiring. Over time, the reward system adapts. Things that once felt boring, like deep work, reading, exercise, start to feel good. That's neuroplasticity. That's habit evolution. And that's how discipline becomes a part of your identity. Not just a tactic, but a lifestyle. So no, you're not broken. You're just living in a world designed to hijack your brain. But now, you know the players. You see the battlefield. The next time dopamine tempts you to abandon your goals, pause and remember this. Discipline may be quiet, but it's undefeated in the long game. And every small win you choose today, that's how you take the power back. Stick around if you're ready to keep building. The journey inward is just getting started.